Okay, so today is Haiku Poetry Day. Ooh, haikus! Oh, I love haiku poetries. Haiku poetry has 3 lines and has 17 syllables. Remember when we counted our syllables with April and Saturday? Those are syllables. So a haiku has 17. 17. So I have one for you. Are you ready, Flippy? Yeah, tell me. Soft, brown, and fluffy, hopping here, there, everywhere, nibbling everything. Oh, is it a rabbit? Yes, Flippy, you got it. You got my poem. Oh, good. Thank you so much. I have one too. Do you want to hear it? Oh, yes, Flippy. Please tell me. After every rain made from 7 colors, reaching up, then down. Oh, I know it. Why did I know it? Fluffy, I know it. Okay, Fluffy, what is it? A rainbow. Yes, a rainbow. I love rainbows. Good guessing. Okay, so it's Haiku Poetry Day, and we're going to make